Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back to PepTalk SelfTalk, where we empower ourselves to live our best lives through positive inner dialogue. Today, we're diving deep into the power of building a healthy inner dialogue, the kind that nurtures our hearts, strengthens our minds, and elevates our spirits. So, grab a cozy spot, because we're about to embark on a transformative journey together. 1. Understanding the inner dialogue. Before we begin, let's explore what the inner dialogue truly is. Think of it as the constant conversation you have with yourself. It's the way you perceive and interpret the world, the thoughts that fill your mind, and the words you choose to use when you talk to yourself. Now, close your eyes for a moment and ask yourself, am I my own best friend or my own worst critic? Remember, this is a safe space, and there's no judgment here. 2. The power of positive self-talk. Today, we're all about self-empowerment. Embracing positive self-talk is like giving yourself a pep talk every day. It's about changing those self-limiting beliefs into empowering affirmations. Whenever a negative thought pops up, pause and replace it with a positive one. For example, instead of, "I can't do it," say, "I am capable, and I will give it my best shot." Trust me, this little shift can work wonders. 3. Being kind to yourself. It's important to remember that we're all human, and making mistakes is part of the journey. Be gentle with yourself during tough times. Treat yourself with the same compassion and understanding you'd give to a dear friend facing challenges. Acknowledge your emotions and allow yourself to feel, but also remind yourself that these moments don't define your worth. You are resilient and capable of growth. 4. Embracing self-acceptance. Let's talk about self-acceptance, my friends. Embrace your uniqueness, your quirks, and your imperfections. They make you who you are, and that's beautiful. Remember, nobody is perfect, and that's okay. Embrace your journey, and know that it's the bumps along the road that shape you into the incredible person you're becoming. 5. Cultivating a positive mindset. Building a healthy inner dialogue isn't a one-time thing. It's a lifelong practice. Surround yourself with positivity. Seek inspiration from books, podcasts, and mentors who lift you up. Remember, you have the power to choose the lens through which you view the world. Focus on gratitude, and your perspective will shift, attracting even more positivity into your life. As we wrap up today's episode, I want you to remember that you are capable of transforming your inner dialogue. You have the strength to overcome challenges, and you are deserving of love and kindness, especially from yourself. Let's continue to grow together on this journey of self-discovery and self-love. Thank you for being a part of the PepTalk SelfTalk community. Remember to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who might need this pep talk today. Until next time, love and positivity to each and every one of you.